Hi everybody, welcome back to Sunshine Soap and Candle Company. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an apple cider vinegar cold processed soap using real apple cider vinegar and organic pureed apples. You may be wondering, why would we want to use apple cider vinegar and apples in a cold processed soap? Well, apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to help balance the skin's pH. It also is a great acne reducer and also a good exfoliant. Apples are packed with vitamins and nutrients, and they are also really good at helping to bring moisture to the skin. These are all wonderful properties that you would want to see in a skin-loving bar of soap. If you would like the full written detailed step-by-step tutorial along with the written recipe with percentages so you can scale this up or down as you like, please visit my Patreon campaign. You can find the link to my campaign in the description box below. There really is a ton to take advantage of over on my campaign. I have 3.5 years of archived recipes that you can unlock for just a small $5 pledge, along with other tiers that you can take a look at, each with their own unique benefits. We offer things like live monthly classes, live hangouts, monthly gift packages, coupon codes to my favorite suppliers. It's a great way to connect with other makers in the community and a great way to connect with me. All right, let's get started. So apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid made from apples. It's fermented much like a kombucha or a beer, so I didn't want to scorch it. I want to keep those nice fermented properties, and I'm just using an organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, so that has the good bacteria in it. So I created ice cubes, so I didn't want to put my lye directly into the apple cider vinegar. I wanted to kind of preserve the properties of this, so we're using ice cubes. We're using apple cider vinegar ice cubes, and we're just going to slowly incorporate the lye into this. As soon as it reaches the ice cubes, it will start to melt down the ice cubes. It will heat up and melt down the ice cubes, but we're just going to do it rather slowly so we don't burn or scorch the apple cider vinegar. So as you can see, already starting to melt. All right, so we are all the way melted down, and it did warm up a little bit, but it's very cool to the touch. It's slightly above like body temperature. I can take a quick read on it. And it's got this beautiful kind of caramel color. Yeah, it's sitting right around 105 degrees. And we are ready for the next step. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside. I'm gonna grab my oils. Now, I was going for sort of a more natural soap today. We are going to be using some fragrance in this soap, but I really wanted to keep the natural color of the soap in there, and we are making it vegan and also palm free. So this is a combination of olive oil, castor oil, cocoa butter, rice bran oil, coconut oil, a little bit of stearic acid, and sweet almond oil. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and slowly combine the apple cider vinegar lye solution into our oils. This is going to be a very simple design as well. We're going to do one pour. There's not going to be any swirling or different colors. Okay, so we have reached emulsification, or a very light trace. So we're going to go ahead and now add in the applesauce. Now, I just made this applesauce or apple puree from organic apples that I purchased, and I just went ahead and boiled them until they were soft, like you would do with any pureed vegetable or fruit, and then I put them in a high-speed blender. I just used the skins and everything because the skins have a lot of vitamins in it, and so I didn't peel the apples or anything like that, so everything is just a very, very smooth puree. We're gonna go ahead and add in the apples. And then I'm gonna be adding in some fragrance oil as well. Now, we're using Honey Spiced Pear. This is from Midwestern Fragrance Company, and the reason I'm using this one is because it's got a really nice kind of cidery, spicy, sweet smell to it. I actually prefer it over the apple fragrances that I've tried in the past, and it's a really awesome fragrance. I've used it in soap before. It sticks really nicely and smells amazing. So I'm going for like a medium thick trace here. There we go. So it has a really nice natural color to it. I absolutely love that. And then we're going to go ahead and pour it into our mold. So I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out the top here. And I'm going to put a little bit of a texture on it, and then I'm going to top it. I'll show you. So this is going to make a nice hard bar of soap because of the addition of that stearic acid. And then we're going to go ahead and top this soap with some beautiful anise stars. Now I got these from, I think I got them from Nature's Garden actually, and they just smell really good. They have a nice kind of autumnal fall like fragrance. So we're just going to go ahead and place our stars, and they just make it look nice and natural and botanical looking. And that's it. That's all I'm going to do to the top. I'm going to give it a little spritz with some 99% rubbing alcohol just to prevent some soda ash, although I don't think we're going to get any because I did reduce the liquid to account for the addition of the apples, and also it's going to be a hard bar of soap, so I don't think we're going to get any soda ash. We're just going to go ahead and do this anyway. And there it is. That's how you make a beautiful apple cider vinegar soap. Stay tuned for the cutting. All right, everybody, we are back to go ahead and cut this beautiful apple cider vinegar soap, and it is a very hard bar of soap. As you can see, we have a couple different colors going on here, so the part that's been exposed to the air longer is a little bit more of an orange hue, and everything will catch up to this color as it hits the air over the next several weeks. I actually think I'm going to turn it this way so I can line it up with those stars. I just want to make sure that each slice gets its own star. There we go. These should be right around a 1-inch slice of soap. So, you know, just pretty plain on the inside. And as you can see, that discoloration is starting to happen around the part that's hit the air. Look at how much different color that is than that. So it will all start to look like this in a few weeks. You'll have to check my website in a few weeks to get an update, I think, on the final color of what these turn out to look like. All right, everybody, that is how you make an apple cider vinegar bar of soap. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please comment or question below. Please share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, everybody. Catch you on the next video. Bye!